Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction? And today, guys, we're here with KhapitaL once again. KhapitaL, the ghostwriter for Shano. KhapitaL, with a song called Bad. Shano and 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Shano and 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. So the song dropped. KhapitaL dropped a song with it last week when we react to, and we see some man in the comment section and say, "Oh yeah, so the man no clarity and rearing." No, but you guys are misunderstanding. My headphone was a bit too loud. You understand? So it was droning for me. The headphone is a brand new headphone. Buy the headphone like literally a day before. I'm never get time for tune it in. I have two of them headphones, one over here so and one over there so. You understand? So that is the reason why but after I go back and listen to the song was well put together. The song is bad. The song is fucking bad. See? Your next man I say, me need for what I'm saying? Me need for listen to the song before me do a review. I'm not reviewing a song, I'm reacting to a song. Reaction and reviewing is different, yo. Alright, my G? So big up yourself. You know yourself because I did reply to your comment. But big up yourself, my bro. There, we're gonna jump to the one and hear where KhapitaL office say about Yodi and Shano. Shots fired. Let's go.
Yo, Ryan. Which boy can tell what push boat I am?
No, boy.
Coyote, move your head.
Coyote, get a first shot. Oh, move your head. Coyote, move your head. Coyote, move your head. Man say move your big head.
Which boy can tell what push boat I am?
Man say move your broad head.
Coyote, move your head. Boom! Stick a match, yeah. The thing loud and a Jim Brown and I feel my fans are the new sting crowd and
the thing loud and a Jim Brown badness. I feel my fans are the new sting crowd. Clarity. Sticker matches. KhapitaL bad. I'm just looking at the cover art to see if we can pick up any. So we see what is that? Uzi or a Mac 10? Oh, them. And we see some bullet with some blood upon it already in our handkerchief. So let's go.
and the thing got turn up too much for bring down, you know. I coulda who you little fucking clown, like, hey, no. Sophia Lune, no. Shano, little one style, played out for.
Shano. Da-da-dee. For Aluneno. Shano, you look one side played out. The man say, don't make your thunder roll and no lightning na flash.
No, Sophia Luneno, Shano, little one style played out, flop like the doodle plot when you can roll up for me.
Yeah, he's taking the piss. He's taking the piss now. Shano, where the Shano? Where the G? You know answer.
Shano, little one style played out, flop like the doodle plot when you can roll up for me. Gon' clap.
Flop like the doodle plot by your cane row. Remember, say Shano of the one hairstyle with the one plot to go up in the year after the cane row them. So you must say you flop like the doodle plot by your cane row. Oh my God, that is disrespectful. Rude. But I like it. It's music.
One style played out, flop like the doodle plot when you can roll up for me. Gon' clap on the brain out. Man solid as a rock, them a play doh. When the real Taliban attack, them a lay low.
Man solid as a rock, them a play doh. Them a kids toy. Them soft. Squish them up in my hand, so watch it. A man say you have to lay low when the real Taliban they bought. So he must say him the real Taliban don't have to lay. Get away.
Man solid as a rock, them a play doh. When the real Taliban attack, them a lay low. Spent on the playground, so don't play around. I be a gunman, we got on the payroll. Never ready to go do the chop for the peso. They gon' lift up in the back from me say so.
Yo. Even if people don't want beliefs, yeah, him right for Shano, you can hear the same flow where Shano been using for years. You can hear it right as so. You can hear the flow. You can hear these are exact things that Shano would say, bro. So why would you disbelieve him? I don't disbelieve him. Say, Shano, I'm sorry. I do not disbelieve KhapitaL. KhapitaL a bad bumbleclot artist, you know. Bad man, chop your fuck.
Never ready to go do the chop for the peso. They gon' lift up in the back from me say so. Quick. got a bag of matty keys like a rocket in Alaska. Carry the Draco. Ain't no pussy fit test. I coulda NATO, babe.
Ain't no pussy fit test. I coulda NATO. I coulda NATO, brother. No pussy. No pussy test. All I want to feel years. One to him brain. Fuck you.
He's like a rocket in Alaska. Carry the Draco. Ain't no pussy fit test. I coulda NATO, babe. Don't push up your chest. Listen to stage show.
Man said don't push up your chest. This is a stage show. But push up your head though. If you want one in your brain. Move from there. Move from there.
Ain't no pussy fit test. I coulda NATO, babe. Don't push up your chest. Listen to stage show. Name don't good in the west. Well, I'm a better. And I say me fi ask for no say. Which part on the bad? Don't say so. Lock on the bumbo clock mouth. Which part on the bad?
Which part on the bad? Where? Which part on the... Not even on your house, cause your girl beat your bumbo clock. Where you bad? Hold this in your blood. Hold this in your blood clot. Which part you bad? Maybe yourself you ask you know, which part on the bad? On the bad? Not a badness, a bumbo clot.
They gon' lift up in the back from me say so. Yeah. I got a bag of matty keys like a rocket in Alaska. Carry the Draco. Ain't no pussy fit test. I coulda NATO, babe. Don't push up your chest. Listen to stage show. Name don't good in the west. Well, I'm a better. And I say me fi ask for no say. Which part on the bad? Don't say so. Lock on the bumbo clock mouth. Which part on the bad? Don't say so.
I could knock down them bad. Don't take them much man.
Don't say so. Don't say so. Anyway, them a turn up around this, I go wet up.
Anyway, them turn up round this, I go wet up. Round this, I go wet up with not water, you know, blood. Blood piece of shit. Cause when the gunshot kick you, go piece of shit up yourself. Murder.
Don't say so. Don't say so. Anyway, them a turn up around this, I go wet up. Lay down, this I don't get up. Don't be them me wall at don't say so. Come on, man, I the god for this. After give me the black ziggy, so me rock with it. If I no killer, no cartel and not DJ. Which bumbo clock DJ for bad for me?
Which DJ for bad for me? If I no killer cartel or Diddy, which one of them DJ bad like me? That's what the DJ say. None of them no bad like him. Him a telling us none of them no bad like me. Brawling.
Don't be them me wall at don't say so. Come on, man, I the god for this. After give me the black ziggy, so me rock with it. If I no killer, no cartel and not DJ. Which bumbo clock DJ for bad for me? Chat to me, Mr. Leng better got the bricks. Got
Mr. Leng, bookings, you know. Bookings, man, say better have your brick, man. Have your money. Sting, have your money.
Which bumbo clock DJ for bad for me? Chat to me, Mr. Leng better got the bricks. Got the gift for the fans, them glad to see. Rhapsody, MG got 2 pop biggie. Look anywhere, you now go find no match for this chat lyric.
Look anywhere. Take up my phone too. You're not gonna find a match for this. You're not gonna find no match for this with 2 bomber club, but I'm out of this world. Yeah, I'm out of this world.
Rhapsody, MG got 2 pop biggie. Look anywhere, you now go find no match for this chat lyrics. From that you say me top the list. Pop me click, does a funeral of that for kick. Glock for chip, cause them little man ya bat for flick. Clash for kick, them now go run up, them not take quick. Fox me spit. So
yo, this youth are bad, yo fuck. The man sang well put together, bro. The man a chat lyrics from, well, 3 minutes and 45 seconds worth of song, and the lyrics the man a chap. The man not giving no gimmicks, bro.
Chip, cause them little man ya bat for flick. Clash for kick, them now go run up, them not take quick. Fox me spit. So log on and go watch the 6 that me pick it like them.
What I'm saying? Do I?
Them now go run up, them not take quick. Fox me spit. So log on and go watch the 6 that me pick it like.
So log on and go watch the fix. Big up Nightly Fix. Go watch the fix.
Keep them now go run up, them not take quick. Fox me spit. So log on and go watch the 6 that me pick it like them with them not say shit. Laps we kick, bust them head out and snap the pick. I fake of them badness plastic-ish.
Bust them head out and snap the pick. I fake of them plastic-ish. The man saw the fake like go eyelash.
Shit laps we kick, bust them head out and snap the pick. I fake of them badness plastic-ish. Ask you this pussy hole on the bad. Don't say so. Tap on the bumbo clock nice. Which part on the bad?
Which part?
Don't say so. Tell them no. Don't say so, little nigga. Don't say so. Anyway, you got turn up around this, so go wet up. Lay down this, so don't get up. Yo, daddy, no boy, we send go sleep, never wake back yet. The case stop red, don't get up. Yo, daddy, no boy, we send go sleep, never wake back yet. The case stop red.
And the boy we send go sleep on a lullaby, brother. We not talking. Hey, a gunshot we get. Hey, and the boy we send go sleep. Now wake up. Now wake up. D-E-D. D-E-D, dead.
Run up on a grave that get no wait 1 sec, but lift it up and lace that crep. I just the way Kydoi big make a straight shot, catch him a beat that death. No movements, just the shot neck. Man should have shot him a blood clot box, I yes that left. But my bust out him for it, make him brain stash wet. When
Man should have shot him a blood clot box. I use that death, but my bust out him blood clot for it. A brain dash way. Grimy! But what? I like it. I like it.
Man should have shot him a blood clot box, I yes that left. But my bust out him for it, make him brain stash wet. When brains accept them, brain stop who grave drop next to grave that's set. Yeah man, I watch now, you see quick Kydoi, you know, I'm tell you is. If you know it's a straight shot a dangerous thing, that guy. It's like him head big and they shot him a fire and you see me, it's hard to miss. You know them way.
Man say Kydoi, just understand say you're just a straight shot you pick up right now. You see me? Remember say head big in a brother. Remember say playing a land on your head and be things in the dog. So the boss I tell us say yo, I just a straight shot to get through when you yeah man. So right now just hold a couple more straight shot here man. Cause remember say head big, you see me? I can't move forward out of the way quick enough, you see me? So just hold them here, you see me? Hold this.
First thing that guy is like him head big and they shot him a fire and you see me, it's hard to miss. You know them way there. Yeah. When them come on you know about Red Hills Road. Common sense, one uptown. Whole of Red Hills Road say capital. Uno bad. Don't say so. Which part uno bad? Don't say so, little nigga, don't say so. Anyway, you got turn up around, that's a gun wet up. Lay down, that's a gun get up. The drum presser. Burn up, boss. Any pussy run up, get burn up fast.
Burn up, boss. So if I big up, the Marco. We see Marco posting on my IG and say, you're a bad artist, which he is a bad fucking artist. Big up Marco for that. So I must say, burn up, boss. Any pussy, test. Any pussy run up, burn up fast. Yo, in my chap.
Burn up, boss. Any pussy run up, get burn up fast. Yeah, dog, tell them to come on if I turn up them badness or something, brother. It's like, who now run a hide and, you see me? You used to say this too easy, bro. Do this now, sleep. Spanish Town, the new capital.
Spanish Town, the new capital. Bumbleclot. Hoi! Yo, Shano, you know answer. Shano, what you say, bro? What you say, my G? What you say? Cause the boss are chopping up, bro. And the boss are chop in the style where you used to have in a dog. So the man say, yo, take back him style from you in a dog. Yo! Bumbleclot! So all dark crew, man, all them big song the for Shano. Are you right them? Want a meal for share with me and my friend them? Shano, I KhapitaL right them song there. Bumbleclot, no man. Tour come to bum. Stings around the corner. Leng, make you see money up in the car. Yes, his back at 6 mil. You see this man, I say, yo, steam ready. Fully bad ready. Kydoi book. Wagwan. Yo, December 26th, I go nice. December 26th, I will be not there. We'll be at home. Yo. Anyway, big up KhapitaL, dog. Big up KhapitaL. Big up the fan base where you get as well, my bro. Big up the fan base. Them people them love you, bro. Anyway, dog, this is how I'm going to leave the one still. If you enjoyed the one and want some more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. And I will see you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.